Next example, integration for 2 to 5 x square dx. Now, comparing with a to b fx dx, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, h is equal to 5 minus 2 upon n, and nh is equal to 3, where n belongs to natural number, and fx is equal to fx square. Theorem: limit h approaches to 0, h fa plus fa plus h plus fa plus 2h plus f a plus n minus 1 with h. Now individually solving. Now we are having fa, this is equal to fa is what? 2. f2 is equal to 2 square, that is 4, because we are putting here now in x square. Second is f a plus h, this is equal to f2 plus h. Now this becomes 2 plus h whole square, this is equal to 4 plus 4h plus h square. Okay. Then fa plus 2h, f2 plus 2h, 2 plus 2h whole square. Now we are getting 4 plus 8h plus 4h square. And remember, don't avoid the last term, f a plus n minus 1 with h, this is equal to f 2 plus n minus 1 h, and this is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 h whole square. Now this is equal to 4 plus 4 n minus 1 with h plus n minus 1 whole square h whole square. Now putting these values in the theorem. Limit h approaches to 0, h. Now first is what? 4 plus, then it is 4 plus 4h plus h square plus 4 plus 8h plus 4h square plus 4 plus 4 n minus 1 with h plus n minus 1 whole square h whole square. Is it clear? Now look how interesting thing now we are having. What we are getting now, limit h approaches to 0, h, first thing is 4 n times. Second thing is plus taking 4 common from here, then it is here and then it is there. So what we are getting, sorry, taking 4h common, 4h common, 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1. Okay, 4h, 8h and 4h with n minus 1 plus Now we are having h square. Okay. So taking h square common, what we are having? 1 plus 2 square plus n minus 1 whole square. No confusion at all. Okay. All the series we have distinguished, we have displaced in within different types. Okay. Now the question becomes, limit h approaches to 0 h with, first part is 4n plus 4h with, now 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 n upon 2 plus, then terms having the square numbers, h square, what we will be having here? N minus 1 n 2n minus 1 upon 6. Okay. Now limit h approaches to 0, 4nh plus 4nh minus h with nh upon 2 plus, now look here, it becomes h and h square becomes h cube, and we are having 3 terms there. Okay. So it becomes now nh minus h, one thing, nh and 2nh minus h on 6. nh is 3. Okay. So now we are having 4 with 3 plus 4, 3 minus 0, 3 upon 2 plus 3 minus 0, 3, 6 minus 0 upon 6. Okay. So we are getting 12 plus 2 with 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18 plus 9. 6 and 6 cancels, 3 3s are 9. So final answer is 39. This is the answer. 12 plus 18 30 plus 9 39. So like this we can easily go for the solution parts.